Good afternoon. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. I'm Jim. We're in the shop today, and I have some mail for this mail call from Amy in Oklahoma. And let's see what we have here. So, first of all, we have a letter. Hey soldier, hope you're having a great day. Here's my wood carving logo sticker. Keep smiling and creating. We have a great community of amazing friends. I'm glad to have met you. See you on YouTube, Amy. That's awesome. Tells me to keep smiling. I am not known as a smiler, but if I smile, she may not be able to take it. Alright, One Drum Creations by Amy. And that's awesome. You may know her as Resinating Art by Amy N. Fantastic artist. She does things with the resin and her carvings that I'm not there yet, man. But she does great. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get the sticker board. Alright, and for those of you who don't know, I ripped off my sticker board idea from a project that was done by Bobby Builds It. So let me see if I can swing around here and stand this thing up so that I can put the sticker on. While we're at it, let me go ahead and grab that one that I got from Got Wood. Here we go. There it is. That's the one I got from Got Wood. Now, of course, that comes in every box if you buy something. But I wanted one. So, I'm not sponsored by turningblanks.net, but, you know, I love their products. I've ordered from them twice now, and alrighty, so I have Bobby Builds It, I have the Shoops, I have Old Path, I have Bice Family Tree, One Drum Creations by Amy, who is also Resinating Art by Amy M, and I have turningblanks.net. So I'm going to go ahead and put the board back over there, and we'll see what we can get into. Alright, so again, I wanted to thank Amy for reaching out. Thank you for the sticker. I have a few people I need to send some stickers out to that I've received over the last few days. And so I'll try and get those out in the mail this week, probably over the weekend. I try and send stickers out about once a month. It works out better for me. Time constraints and everything being what they are, it's just easier for me to do them all in one shot. So anyway, thank you again, Amy, and I will see you on YouTube. I will put these over here, clean up my mess a little bit, because this shop gets kind of dirty. Like somebody comes in here and does projects and then doesn't pick up after himself. Wonder who that might be. Alright, hold on.